In this video, I will show you how to view your Instagram notification history. Now, the very easy way to do this is to go to this heart button right here, and you will be able to see all the notification you have over the course of 30 days. However, when you scroll down, you will be able to see that it gives you suggestion on who you can follow on Instagram. So it has a limit that you can't really cross. Now, in order for you to view your Instagram notification history more thoroughly and over the years, all you have to do is to go to your email or Gmail and then click on your socials right here. If you don't really trash out all the emails that you get from Instagram, you will be able to see notifications and reminders that Instagram has laid upon you. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.